we are going to learn how to add a floating action button to our project. So as you can see, so if you click on it, after it has been added, it could open a new page and so on. But in this exercise, we'll make it to display a snack bar, more or less like a toast notification. So that's what I'm going to learn how to do in this video. So first thing, like I said, this is going to be added to an existing project. Okay, so what we'll do first is to identify the page we want to add it to. So we'll go to the code area of the XML file. I'm using activity_main for that. Go to this aspect of the XML file. So this area under the recycler view. So you can add it to anywhere, but this is for as far as this project is concerned. We'll just add this. So we'll add a tag called com.gogo.android.material. So we just add all the other implementation here. That is the height and the width. Then we'll constrain it to the other part of the screen. So as you can see here, so this one should be the layer margin should be 20 dp. Then the color primary. Add the description to it. So the description is just to create new note. You can add whatever it is you want to add. Then of course we'll add an icon. So the icon will be add_IC_add. We need to give it a background color. So a tint color. So instead of having the default one, so I will need it to be blue. Okay, so I've already created the color scheme for this, which I showed you in one of the videos. So I'll link the video in the description of this video. All right, so then the icon, I need to change this icon to something else. So it should be IC_add note. Okay, so I was using the IC_add for a different purpose. So I need the one that is specifically for this. So go to that drawable, then add as vector asset, then search for this add icon, then click OK, then change the color to white. Of course, change the name to IC_add note, then color to white, then click on next. We can also change the size. Let's make it 34 by 34 dp, then click on next. So once you click on next, then click on finish. So that icon specifically is added. So this is the icon right there. Then you come to here. So of course it will automatically be done. So you can see, but the little issue is that it doesn't show white. We'll handle that. I mean, the color does not show white because the default one is black. So we're going to override that as we move on. So let's see how we can inflate it. So we now need to make it work. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to import the necessary library. Okay, so what we'll do now, we'll now say import, then Android. So we say import com.gogo.android.material.floating action button. So add this one, yeah, this line 20. So add it to add it. So once you have added that, then we'll come to this bottom here, to this environment here, to display. Yeah, so anything within the create, anything within this method, this on create bundle save instance state method. So we add it here. So we'll create an object, the floating action button object. Then of course we'll set a click event on it. So the click event, once we type that, it will automatically write this public void on click view for you. Then what we need to do now is that we'll now say snack bar. So this is more or less like toast notification. So we just want to make sure that once we click on it, that is actually responding. So just add the snack bar effect on it. So this one will show button clicked once we run it at the end of the day. Of course, in the next video, we're going to make this one open a new screen where we can create a new note. But for the sake of this exercise, this will just make sure that the button actually works. So this is the whole area that we typed. So let's change the color of that text, or of that plus sign. So we need to override the default color. So we'll say app tint equals at null. So this one will nullify or override the default one, which is black. So if you check it now, see that it is now white. Okay, so this is what we have so far. So let's run it. I'm going to be running this one on my mobile phone, on my physical mobile phone. So I will just share the screen. So as you can see that it's running here. As you can see, so you see that it's running. So if you click on it now, see that it's showing you button clicked. As you click on it, see that it shows button clicked. Look at that. So that is what we have. That is how to create a floating action button in Android application. I hope this helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Like the video, share it, and thank you for watching. See you in another video.